Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the amazing effect of a compound called Strontium Aluminate. Strontium is kind of an interesting metal. It's kind of silvery. When it's exposed to oxygen, it turns yellow. It was discovered in a little village called Strontia in Scotland. Now, when it's combined with aluminum and europium, it's able to absorb light very quickly and then emit that light back very slowly, creating this amazing glow-in-the-dark effect, even though it's not radioactive. Check out the effects of strontium aluminate. To show you the effect of strontium aluminate, I'm going to use this spinner that is actually coated with the compound strontium aluminate and this laser to fire as much light at it as possible so you can see the glow effect. So when you start the spinner, you can use your laser to make really amazing intermittent designs. Strontium Aluminate in RamZland.